What's going on, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We are here with another unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing in a minute, but this deserves a presentation. Spidey's in here in the building as always. He's our official timekeeper. He makes sure that we are on point. Gotta get one more. Yeah, on point with the time. Don't want to make these videos too long. I know you guys have things to do. You're busy folks, so I'm trying to get you from point A to point B as quick as possible without any detours or delays. Alright, got my knife right here because it is an unboxing, and just don't mind this little Rubik's Cube. Haven't figured it out, as you can see. But anyways, before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button if this content is helpful at all. And feel free to check out some of my other videos, see if you like them. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button on the way into the video, or on the way out of the video, or during the video. I say all that to say, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, this product right here, this is the Samson, not Samsung, get it right people, Samson Q9U microphone. Alright, this XLR/USB, and that's USB Type-C, by the way, dynamic microphone. It says for gaming, streaming, podcasting, music recording. So basically, the reason I purchased this, or got this, super great deal by the way, got it from Best Buy, check it out. But the reason I got this was because, as you guys know, or if you don't know, I created a second YouTube channel. It's going to be, I will give you the guys the warning, but it's going to be completely different from the gaming and tech channel. So make sure to swing over there. If you can't find it, because it's brand new, if you can't find it, you can go on my Instagram, click the link in my bio, or you can go on my subscription page on YouTube to see the ones I follow. It is called, take note, it's BMGTv. I'll say it again. The word it's, B as in Bravo, M as in Mike, G as in Golf, TV, BMGTv, BMG, that's me by the way, that's me. Okay, alright, I digress. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a lot of streaming / podcast-ish reaction videos type of stuff, and I just want to give you guys what you deserve. Good quality videos, good quality sound, and it all starts with the proper equipment. So that's where this comes into play. I also use this mic for this channel as well. I have other mics, I have Rode mics, lavalier mics, but this is going to be the stationary stay-at-home babbler right here. So we got the knife. Let's get into it. All right. Ooh, I think I got a little rough with this when I was putting it in my car. Let's get this over here. Did I cut too deep? I did cut too deep. Oh, I could have just lifted this thing right here. All right, so we got the box open. Let's put this knife away before we poke out an eye or cut some fingers off. All right, so let's see. If you guys are in the market for a microphone, hopefully this video helps out, because I think it's cool. You know, you get some products. If you're a tech nerd, tech guy like me, you want to know what's good. Now, after doing thorough research, I was told, and I came to the conclusion, that this was possibly the best bang for my buck when it comes to a podcast-ish, streaming-ish type microphone. Again, this is the Samson, not Samsung, Samson Q9U. You can also hook this up to, like, I don't know the proper term, but it's like a switchboard where you can manually tweak. You can manually tweak the settings. So let's take it out. Let's see what we got right here. This is the USB Type-C connector cable. I'm pretty sure it might be a situation where I will use this connection, but I have so many other cables, so this might just be in storage. So we're gonna sit that over here. We also have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. Okay. We have this connection as well. We need that. Very important cable. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, we have the microphone itself. Also have a Blue Yeti microphone, and as soon as I took this out, it reminds me of it. So let's take the plastic. You hear it? You hear the crumbles? For all of you who like the crumbles. Anyways, this does remind me of the Blue Yeti, but a lot sleeker and cooler looking. Comes with this little muffler on here. I'll say a muffler. This little cone. but I won't be using it because I like the look without it. And I've seen and researched plenty of tests with it on and with it off. Pretty much sounds the same, but I'll leave it off because I'll be yelling, but I won't be yelling like that, you know? So we're gonna go around it. Oh, before we do, let's make sure there's nothing else in the box. Sit that right there. You have some instruction manuals, basically. Pretty much a walk around of how to use this bad boy right here. Hook it up. I already have this little arm right here I'm gonna hook it up to, and I will be most likely at least using the USB connection to use this microphone. I might not use the XLR connection often, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, it's basically a walkthrough on how to set this bad boy up. So if I need this, I'll use it. I don't think I will. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So let's get these boxes out of here. All right, so here is the microphone itself, as you can see in all its matte black glory. The grill, oh, this thing looks nice. It's very hefty. Holy crap, this thing is a freaking unit, man. This is heavy right here. Spidey, what you think? Talk to him. Spidey coming out with a track soon. Don't worry, we're in the studio. That's why we got the mic. Anyways, matte black color, Samson branding right here, Q9U. I think this is the mute button. Might be the mute button. And then you have for your mounting right here. And then here are the bread and butters, as you would say. These are the basic main functions of this mic. So your mids, I'm assuming that's what this is. And this is a blind unboxing, okay? Blind unboxing, I'll say that. USB Type-C connection port, headphone jack, your mid-tone, I guess, right here. And then this one, I have to do some research to see what this is. I forgot what this was. But there's where your controls are. I believe this is the mute button. And that's it as far as controls on it. This is the top of the mic. Let's do a size comparison. We got Spidey to the mic. Damn, Spidey, he got you by a little bit, by a hair. He got you. Don't hate. But yeah, one thing I will say that you can't really tell if you're watching this video, but the weight of this is very heavy. This feels probably about 2 pounds, like a solid 2 pounds. It's heavier. It's probably the heaviest mic I have. Let me grab my Blue Yeti really quick. Hold on. All right, Spidey, you got to move out the way. Move. So this is my Blue Yeti microphone. This feels heavier than this. Look how big this thing is. Damn. This feels heavier than this. I don't know why, but maybe because it packs a better punch. I don't know. But this is my Blue Yeti one. You can see the dust on it. I haven't used this thing in a minute. Woo! You going back in the storage, boy. But yeah, that is the unboxing of this. I'll probably do a review after I do several videos using this microphone, and I'll let you guys know what I think. But yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing. Let me know if you guys have any other recommendations for, better mics, or if you even have a review or you came to a conclusion on this one already. If you know something that I don't, which most likely you will, let me know down in the comments below. Again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.